Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view folders shared with us on the Google Drive. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Drive apps. And after this, at the menu, you can click on the share. Click on the share. This one, click on it. And in here you can see the folders or the file shared with us. In here I have this folder and this file. You can click the file that you wanted to click, and so that's how to view folder share with us on a Google Drive. It's so simple, right? I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.